Picture this. You open your phone and see another ad. Some guy on a yacht telling you to invest in his program for just $997. Or maybe it's a crypto influencer promising 10x returns if you just buy this one coin today. And you think, I don't have money to invest anyway, so you scroll past. You close the app, and you go back to your normal routine. Meanwhile, somewhere across the country, someone your exact age, making your exact salary, started investing this month. Not with $1,000. Not with $500. With literally $0 to start. And 5 years from now, that decision is going to change everything for them. If you've ever told yourself you can't invest because you don't have enough money, make sure to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Because today that excuse disappears. Let's start with the biggest lie in personal finance. You need money to start investing. Look, this idea has kept more people out of the market than any stock crash in history. Because here's the truth. The barrier to investing in 2024 is not money, it's information. And once you have the right information, $0 becomes a very real starting point. Now you might be thinking, Jack, that sounds like one of those too good to be true things. Stay with me, because the math is about to change how you see this. Here's what most people don't realize. The $0 investing strategy isn't a gimmick. It's a sequence. Step 1. Your employer's 401k match. This is the most ignored free money in America. Here's how it works. Many employers offer to match a percentage of whatever you contribute to your retirement account. So if you earn $40,000 per year and contribute 6%, that's $2,400 from you. Your employer adds $1,200 on top. For free. That's a guaranteed 50% return on your money before the market does anything. According to a study by Vanguard, nearly 1 in 4 employees who are eligible for a 401k match don't contribute enough to get the full match. They are leaving free money on the table every single paycheck. Step 2. The cashback investment loop. Almost every major bank and credit card company now offers cashback rewards. 1%, 2%, even 5% back on specific categories like groceries, gas, or dining. Most people spend those rewards on more stuff. A discount here. A statement credit there. Gone. But here's a different move. Take every dollar of cash back rewards and immediately transfer it into a brokerage investment account. Let's run the math. The average American household spends around $5,000 per month. Even at a modest 1.5% cash back rate, that's $75 per month in rewards. $900 per year. Invested consistently at an average 8% annual return, over 20 years that becomes nearly $44,000. From rewards you were already earning, and doing nothing with. Step 3. The Roundup Method. Several investing apps now offer automatic roundup investing. Every time you make a purchase, the app rounds up to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. You buy a coffee for $3.60. The app rounds up to $4 and invests 40 cents. You fill up your gas tank for $47.25. App rounds up. Invests 75 cents. Studies have shown that average users of Roundup investing apps accumulate between $500 and $1,000 in their first year without ever consciously transferring money. That's not life-changing on its own. But here's what it actually is. It's a habit. And habits are worth more than any single dollar amount. Step 1. Your 401k match gives you immediate guaranteed returns on money that was already leaving your paycheck. Step 2. Cashback investing turns your existing spending into automatic investment contributions. Step 3. Roundups builds the investing habit so deeply into your daily life that it becomes invisible. None of these strategies require you to find extra money. They simply redirect money that was already moving through your life into positions that grow over time. Let me give you a quick analogy. Most people think investing is like building a house from scratch. You need land, you need materials, you need cash up front. But the $0 strategy is different. It's more like renovating a house you already live in. You're using what's already there. You're just rearranging it smarter. The cost of waiting to invest is not zero. Every month you delay is a month of compounding you never get back. If you invest $100 per month starting at age 25, at 8% annual returns you retire with roughly $350,000. Start at 35 instead. You retire with around $150,000. Same money, 10 years difference. $200,000 gone. Not because you spent it. Because you waited. First, check if your employer offers a 401k match and contribute at least enough to capture it fully. Second, apply for a cashback card if you don't have one and set up automatic transfers of your rewards into an investment account. Third, download a Roundup investing app and turn it on. Let it run quietly in the background. And fourth, stop waiting until you have more money. Because the $0 strategy only works if you actually start. The best investment you will ever make is the first one. Not because of the money, because of what it does to your mindset. The moment you become an investor, even with $0, everything changes. If this video helped you see investing differently, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment below. Which of these 3 steps are you starting with? Because the answer you give today could be worth thousands of dollars in 10 years.